I'm Jeremy Heath from Green's Water Systems, the water softener people from Lincoln. And I'm just making a little quick video today in response to a customer's question. And the question that they have is about the running cost of a water softener compared to the savings that they make through changing their home to softened water. What we've found over the years is that our customers make huge savings in household running costs when they switch to soft water. And this is really for three main reasons. Firstly, energy bills. Because we descale cylinders, the heat exchanger works much better, and it means you get much more hot water much quicker for less of your whatever your energy source is, gas or oil, for example. The second thing is renewals and replacements and maintenance of plumbing and appliances and that kind of thing. So that could be something really simple like a kettle or an iron or a shower head, some of which we treat as disposable these days, don't we, in hard water areas, through appliances, a washing machine, right up to a whole new boiler or a cylinder costing far more than a water softener would. And the third saving that we make through having soft water is our weekly grocery bill. When we come and do our so-called food shopping, there's an element of non-food there, and the primary cost there is soaps and detergents, and particularly laundry products. So by using just around a quarter or a fifth of the amount of laundry detergent with softened water that we would with hard, there's obviously a saving. So for the average household, that adds up to hundreds of pounds a year. In fact, on average, around £400 a year, and that makes a water softener a great investment and repaying for itself in very, very quickly. Anyway, back to the customer. We had a customer who's got an interest in a water softener, but the thing that's stopping them just finding out a little bit more about it is because they're worried about the running cost. So, of course, the savings that you make through having softened water in your home, there's a small proportion of that needs to be reinvested in order to keep the softener running. Now, depending on the type of softener, it will determine the annual running cost. But really, it's only a very small proportion to the savings that you make through having it. So for an average family, say we're in Lincolnshire, so in the East Midlands, an average of saving perhaps of £400 a year, maybe only £50 might be running cost or so. So for many households, they would budget around perhaps £1 a week for their salt cost or something like that. So we do a whole range of different softeners. Because Greens are independent, we have the products of all the main manufacturers here. And of course the size and the type and the efficiency varies between them all. And some will be more or less appropriate for your particular property than others. Coupled with that, there's lots of choices to make when you're thinking about a softener, about where and how it will fit, which taps on hard water, which remain on soft, all the small things that we need to discuss with you in order to get your installation just perfect. So for that reason, we have what we call a home visit. It's free of charge. You get me or one of my colleagues, and it can take as little as 40 minutes or so, but it is a great opportunity to answer your questions, to understand a bit about your household, your plumbing, measure the hardness and the pressure and that kind of thing of your water, and it means that we can recommend the exact thing, and also we can discuss and agree the exact way that we're going to fit it. When our customers have had soft water and they say to us that it's the best thing they did and why didn't they do it years ago, sometimes the answer is that they were unsure. They were unsure who to ask, and they were unsure how or where it would fit. Well, we're the experts. That's what we have the answers to. So really, it's very simple, just to book a free home visit and just get the facts and the information. And we're more than happy to spend as much time with you as you need in order to get that information. So Jeremy Heath from Green's Water Systems, don't hesitate to book your free home visit, and we look forward to seeing you soon.